Unlock the full potential of DeepSeek by transforming its performance from sluggish to lightning fast. Have you ever found your DeepSeek models frustratingly slow, hindering real-time applications and efficient deployment? Today, we're diving deep into actionable strategies to turbocharge its speed. Our first crucial step is leveraging hardware acceleration. This involves ensuring your DeepSeek models are running on hardware specifically designed for AI workloads. Like powerful GPUs, think of it as giving your model a high-performance engine for faster computations. Next up is model quantization. This technique intelligently reduces the precision of the model's weights and activations. Imagine compressing a higher-resolution image into a smaller file size without a significant loss in visual quality. Quantization significantly shrinks the model's memory footprint and speeds up calculations. We'll also explore algorithmic optimizations. This means refining the very way your DeepSeek model processes information. We can fine-tune parameters, optimize data flow, and even explore more efficient architectures to streamline the inference process. It's about finding the smartest, shortest route for your model to reach its conclusions. By combining these techniques, robust hardware, clever quantization, and streamlined algorithms, you can drastically reduce inference time and resource consumption. This translates to smoother, more responsive AI applications and the ability to deploy DeepSeek in resource-constrained environments. Stay tuned for more in-depth dives into each of these techniques, enabling you to deploy DeepSeek with unprecedented efficiency. #DeepSeek Optimization AI Performance.